IndicaOnline provides a high degree of configurability and allows you to tailor all of its functionality to your unique business needs. In today's video, we'll cover POS settings. Navigate to Config, Settings, POS on IndicaOnline Web. You'll be presented with a relatively large page full of different configuration options. At the very top, you'll see the option to enable or disable walk-in visits on all registers in your company. Keep in mind that if you'd like to change the behavior on a specific register, you can do so by going to the menu, Settings, Customer, on any POS register and toggling on the Enable Walk-in Visits toggle. The Check Recommendation Status checkbox allows you to prohibit sales to patients with missing or outdated recommendations until you update their documents. Sales to customers or patients that don't match the office type will also be prevented unless their type is changed through their profile. The Print Labels once added to the cart setting is and will print out the label as soon as a product is added to the cart, as long as the printer is connected and Print Label toggle is enabled under the specific product profile. The Print Double-Sided RFID with barcodes on both sides setting allows you to print 2 by 2.25 double-sided RFID labels with barcodes on both sides. The Dispatcher Mode checkbox allows you to run registers in dispatcher mode, allowing them to take orders without having to fulfill them on the spot. As with other settings on this page, it works globally, meaning that every register attached to your account will be affected once it's enabled. If you'd like to alter this behavior on a specific register, simply navigate to Menu, Settings, Inventory, and enable/disable the dispatcher mode toggle. The Show State ID in Customer Queue setting allows you to choose what kind of ID number is displayed for each customer in the queue. You can choose between None, State ID, and Alternative ID from the dropdown. The Show Customer Queue based on dropdown allows you to choose whether the customer queue is based on the shelf that they're checked into or the staffer that created the order. The Automatically Clear Cart After setting allows you to specify how soon cart contents will be cleared if it's left idle. You can set its value that suits your business needs. The Discount Limit field allows you to specify the maximum allowed discount percentage. Employees won't be able to set to a higher percentage unless the manager's PIN is entered. Keep in mind that this only affects manual discounts. The Allow Discounts below the cost of the product checkbox allows you to discount by more than its actual cost. The Allow Sales with No Patient checkbox allows you to process walk-in visits without attaching a customer profile to them. The Check ID Expiration Status setting is super helpful when it comes to sticking to compliance norms. When enabled, it will automatically track ID expiration dates for your customers, given that their ID expiration date is indicated, and notify you when they're about to expire. Customers with IDs that have already expired will be ineligible for check-ins or sales. The Enable Weight Validation setting allows you to enable weight validation. Check out our separate video for more details, which will force staff to verify product weights before a sale is processed. The Automatically Checkout Customer Queue setting allows you to set an inactive window, which when reached will automatically remove the customer from the queue. The Receipt Signature setting allows you to collect customer signatures after the sale is processed both on POS and driver app. The collected signatures can be found on the receipts for the processed orders. The Restrict Bud Tender Actions subsection contains 3 settings. Require manager's permission to remove a product from cart. When someone attempts to remove an item from the cart, they'll be unable to do so until the manager's PIN is entered. Require manager's PIN to return product to shelf from the order. When enabled, you'll be prompted to enter the manager's PIN each time you attempt to return products from an order to the shelf. Require manager's PIN to apply double custom discounts. When enabled, you'll be prohibited from adding more than one custom discount to an order unless the manager's PIN is entered. Below these, you'll find the Return to Shelf by Default checkbox, which will automatically return Metrc and package control products to the shelf when processing refunds or exchanges. Finally, the last setting you'll find on this page is Include Tips into Expected Drawer Amount. Enabling it will include customer tips into the final X report calculation. Please keep in mind that this setting exclusively affects tips provided via IndicaPay.